Hello and welcome back to Baking with Bob. So as promised, today I'll be showing you how to make a simple omelette. All you'll need is 2 to 3 eggs, a pinch of salt and pepper and some butter or some oil. So let's get cracking. No pun intended. So I'm going to take my 3 eggs and crack them into a bowl. I don't know if you can actually see what I'm doing there, but I'm just taking the eggs and cracking them into a separate bowl. And then I'm going to add my bit of salt to taste and a little bit of pepper, and then we're going to whisk these up together to an even consistency. And there you go, you can see already it's all one colour. And then you want about a tablespoon of oil in your pan or a tablespoon of butter. Roll that right round your pan just to ensure it doesn't stick. Your heat will be on a medium to high temperature. So my hob does up to 12 and I'm on 8.5. And then all you do is pour in your egg mix. There we go. And then make sure it covers the bottom. And then what you want to do is you want to leave it, but don't touch it until the bottom bit starts to cook. So give it a good 20 to 30 seconds, and then you will see when the bottom starts to become a bit thicker. And then what we're going to do with our spatula or a fork, you're going to drag the edges into the middle. So you can see with this one already, it's started to cook, so just drag the edge into the middle. And then allow the rest of the runny egg to fill in the gaps that you've just created. And repeat this process until there's no runny egg left to fill the middle. So I'm just going to keep going with this until there's no runny egg left. There we go. Keep pouring the egg into the gaps. Keep pulling into the middle. There we go. You can see it's starting to cook and catch up now. I keep moving my frying pan around just because my hob doesn't seem to cook evenly. It seems to have a hotter side than the other, so you can see where one side cooks more than the other. There we go. So just keep filling in those gaps with the raw egg, like I said, until there's no raw egg left. You can drag off some of the other that's there. Just constantly make sure the whole of the bottom of the pan has got egg. There, you don't want any gaps. And you do have the option of filling. I like just normal cheese, but you can pick whatever you want. Little tip is if you're going to put something cold like ham or tomatoes inside, I would gently heat them up first or bring them to room temperature, blast them in the microwave. You can fry them if you want. So as you can see now, I've just about run out of raw egg to finish pulling into the middle. So now would be the time to put your toppings on. So like I said, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese. When you add your topping, only add it to 1/2 of the omelette because you're going to fold it in half. Here we go. So you can see there's still a little bit of runny egg there. But the good thing about eggs is they retain their heat and they continue to cook. Here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the spatula underneath and we're going to flip. There we go. And then just let it continue to cook for another minute, and once that's finished for 1 more minute, it's ready to serve. So you get yourself a nice plate. Turn your heat off. And serve. And there we go. One lovely omelette that's just ready to eat. I've grabbed myself a fork, cut into it, Perfect. So, that's it for today. Nice, quick, simple, easy omelette. Kids can make it for their parents, parents can make it for their kids, we can all make it for each other. Nice and simple. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description below. Also, if you'd like to give it a thumbs up, a share, a like, subscribe, all of those things that you normally know how to do, that would be great. Thank you very much, and tune in next time. I'm not sure what we'll be making. I've got a feeling it might be gingerbread or cupcakes, not quite sure yet. If you've got any recommendations that you'd like me to do, again, leave them in the comments below and I will check in with you next time. So for now, goodbye.